Let's face it, we spend a lot of time inside the kitchen. It's one of the most busy places in home. The day starts right here and it probably ends here too. All the delicious dishes for all the family members are cooked and served here. All the beautiful chit chat with your mother or with your sister happens here. But we can't deny that it results in a lot of mess in terms of cleaning. As they say, the kitchen is the heart of home, which can make or break your day.
Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a few hacks which will help you out with keeping your kitchen tidy and some tricks will help you out with fast cooking. So all in all, I can say these hacks are really going to help a lot of you who are in the process of becoming new housemakers. I have learned all these hacks from my elders, Pinterest, some from my experience and some from you guys. So let's get started.
Tadka pans are usually very small in size, and not using the correct spoon might hurt your hands badly. Sometimes oil might just come right off as you pour in and give you the burns. Also, you can't either use a broad size spatula to stir it because it will not fit properly in small size pans, and also there might be a possibility that tadka will come off while you stir it. You might think now the regular spoons like these are perfect, which are not so broad, and you can easily stir the tadka. That's right. But because they have relatively short handle length, it might not serve the purpose either. So the smart trick is to always use a cocktail spoon, a long mixing spoon, which has a perfect length enough not to give you any burns, and the size of spoon at the top is also perfect for stirring the tadka. From the last few years, I have been using these long mixing spoons, job sorted no matter which tadka pan I'm using. The perfect spoon for stirring the tadka. Making chapatis is an everyday job for all of us, at least 2 times a day. And to have perfectly soft chapatis, there are two things I like to do to make them as soft as possible for my family. I like to add 1 teaspoon of ghee or normal cooking oil to the flour while kneading the dough. You can use ghee or oil as per your preference, but both of them have the same result. Also use warm water for kneading the flour. Warm water plays an important role in the dough. Water creates steam when you put the rotis on the pan, and that's what makes it puff on the flame. Let the dough rest for 15 minutes, cover it with a plate and keep it aside. This will help the dough to come together, make it easier to roll and produce soft chapatis. Now make the chapatis, and while you're watching this video, if you're eating the chapatis using the same trick, pause for a second and comment down below and let me know if your chapatis are softer than ever. There are many products in our home which pass their expiry date sometimes, and we are left with no other option but to throw them. But the products like shampoo, vinegar, and many others can be used in different and unique ways around the kitchen and home instead of just throwing them away. The shampoo has crossed its expiration date, but still it can be used around to clean the kitchen. So now what you can do is just take a spray bottle, fill it half with water, and after the water, what you have to do is add 2 teaspoons of shampoo to it. Cover the bottle, close it nicely and shake it well. And your DIY all-purpose cleaner is ready. You can use it to clean countertops, cooktop, sink, and can also be used in home to clean different rooms. You can also use this shampoo in cleaning the other things at home like buckets, old trays, and many more. Just in general, it's good to assess before disposing of such items and think if they can be used in other ways around the home. So to have khila khila rice at home, I have learned this trick from my mother. Whenever I change the variety of rice, I have always seen rice becoming very clumpy, ekdam chipchipa. So I asked my mother, she suggested to try using lemon juice. So here's the trick for the khila khila rice. What you have to do is whenever next time you are cooking, just squeeze 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice into your rice and cook it. And now you will see the separate grains of rice. And in the same way, if you use pressure cooker to make rice, you just have to add 4 to 5 drops of lemon into the pressure cooker and cook your rice. Now here you can see the difference between the rice without adding the lemon and the one with the lemon juice. This is ekdam khilkhila and the grains will not stick to the spoon or with the fingers. But this is very clumpy which I cooked without adding any lemon juice. It sticks to the fingers and to the spoon also. During these difficult times in a pandemic, the safety and precaution is all we care about to have a breathable life. The disinfectant plays a very important role in keeping us sanitized and mind peaceful. Take any packet of wet wipes. Take sanitizer. Now open the packet of wet wipes and pour the sanitizer into it. Let the sanitizer get properly absorbed by all the wipes. Shake it well. And now your DIY disinfecting wipes are ready. You can wipe your hands, keep one in kitchen to sanitize things which you're getting from outside. What you have to do is just take out one wipe and use it to disinfect the product or the surface. This trick will save you a lot of money in buying the disinfectant wipes from the market, and it gives you the exact same result. It's useful in the home where there are kids. If they're eating, you can clean the surface and hands, and also convenient to keep a small packet in a bag to use whenever you are going out of home. For perfect tampering, always wait for the oil to get hot properly before adding any spices to it. Now here I want to give you a bonus tip, and probably I might have shared it earlier also. But to all the new subscribers, if you want to avoid the splashes of oil coming right on cooktop, instead of adding cumin or mustard seeds, first add a pinch of turmeric. Now add cumin, mustard or hing in it. Like as you see, there are no splashes of oil on the cooktop. Now to have perfect tampering for all the raitas, khichuris and dals, wait for cumin and mustard to properly splutter. Then only transfer the tampering to the dish. Adding spices to the cold oil will not carry the essence of spices and will not give you the proper flavors to the dish. Always before squeezing a lemon, either microwave it for few seconds or just keep it on the countertop and then roll it with your palms. If you want to get the most juice from your citrus fruits, this is the perfect way. It applies to oranges as well. This process will redistribute the juices and warm up the fruit, which makes getting the juice out much easier. Now, what if you forgot to do so? And what if you have already cut the lemon in half? Just keep the half slice of lemon in the microwave for few seconds and see the magic. Mostly this trick is useful for the half cut lemon slices which we keep in the refrigerator, which sometimes become difficult to squeeze. This is the perfect time to microwave it for few seconds. It will take out all the remaining juices from it very easily. We always keep one or two vases here and there with few flowers and plants in it. The problem with these narrow stem vases is that you find it difficult to clean with hands because there is no space to get inside and clean it. I am going to give you an almost magical way to clean it. Fill the vase with hot water to an extent, don't fill it completely. Now add 1 to 2 sachets of Eno based on how big or small the vase is. The water will fizz up as you throw in the sachet. That's why you don't need to fill it completely. Now wait for 10 to 15 minutes. The gunk and the calcium which is deposited inside the vase will be loosened. Just run it under the faucet And if you find difficult, use a brush to clean it inside. And again run it under the faucet and clean it. Now it's all cleaned and ready to again beautify another beautiful corner of your kitchen. We usually buy glass cleaners from outside, but in case you want to go green and don't want to invest in any products, there is an easy way. Just take vinegar in a container. And the key to this trick is to only use malmal cloth or the cotton cloth, which is very soft. Cut them in small pieces and then just immerse these cotton cloth into the vinegar. Close the box and shake it well. Your DIY glass cleaning wipes are ready. Next time, whenever you see the dirty glass doors in your kitchen or in your home, you know what to do. Just take one wipe, squeeze out the excess vinegar from it, and use it to clean the door. The vinegar will help to lose all the grime, leaves the glass sparklingly like ever, and gives a very good fragrance in the home. Do try it and let me know if it works for you too or not. While preparing any kind of green chutneys, and if you simply want to increase the shelf life of that chutney, there are two things which you need to keep in mind. First, always keep the chutney in a glass airtight container. It will make sure the chutney lasts longer. Now, before going on to the second thing, here comes the bonus tip for you all. To get all the chutney out from the mixing jar, just put water, put the lid on and run it one more time for few seconds. And without using any spoons or without making your hands dirty, you can get it all. And in this way, it is very easy to clean the mixing jar. Now let's move on to the second and the important point. Just add half teaspoon of cooking oil to it to retain the color as it is. Close the lid and keep it refrigerated. It will last for 4 to 5 days and color will remain intact as it is. Every time you're inside the kitchen, either cooking or cleaning, and for both these jobs, you would use water. During the pandemic, when it's advised for frequent hand washing, it leaves you with dry and cracked skin. Cracked skin can invite more germs and bacteria easily to your skin, so it's good to take care of your hands too. Use a cold cream every time you wash or sanitize your hands. Recently, Mamaearth has sent me 3 amazing cold creams and I'm just loving them. Vitamin C, Cocoa and Upton. All the 3 creams are very nourishing, smell is just amazing. They have a very thick consistency which nourishes the skin well and stays through the day. You can find the links for all the products in the description box. You can also use my coupon code which is RECORD2022 for extra 20% off. All the products are free from any harmful chemicals and they're all natural. Mamaearth has recently launched their official app from where you can get early access to their sales and discounts.
This is all for today's video and I really hope you will find it useful. If so, then please do share this video with all your friends and family. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more video related updates. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care and bye bye.